SmartSuite versus ClickUp comparison. So guys, SmartSuite and ClickUp are both project management tools that are aimed for marketing campaigns. In case of SmartSuite, it offers focused collaboration that emphasizes collaborating features with task tracking, file sharing, and team communication tools. It has this amazing innovative interface that speaks for itself, and it has customizable dashboards that you can 100% customize from A to Z. Then it offers task management, robust task management features, including assigning tasks, setting deadlines, and tracking task completion. Then you can also share documents seamlessly using the sharing and collaboration options. You can ensure that all the team members have access to all of their relevant files. Then next, it also has a moderate learning curve. Users can quickly get up to the speed with SmartSuite as it has a moderate learning curve and straightforward setup process. As opposed to this, when you go up on ClickUp, ClickUp has versatile workflow. It offers so much of customizable tasking views, including the view of list, boards, calendars, and Kanban views, columns, NAT charts, mind maps, and workload as well. And it has extensive integrations, all right? So many integrations allows you to make streamlining your workflow from third-party apps by importing all of your data and connecting with all of your favorite tools as well. And it also offers advanced reporting. There is advanced spacing here that offers you with the capabilities to view all of your valuable insights. And then there's a really high, steeper learning curve as compared to SmartSuite due to its extensive feature set and customization options. So ultimately, the choice depends upon you and your specific requirements. But however, ClickUp would be a better option because of a versatile workflow. It allows you to adapt to and learn to the platform based on the preferred workflow and project management style. And it has so many different integrations, actually. So many integrations. You can just simply customize and add in integrations right here. And also, automations are so super, you can enable all of these automations and prevent repetitive tasks and streamline their workflow processes as well. There is advanced reporting in ClickUp. It offers your users to gain valuable insights into project data and performance. And as well, while SmartSuite might excel in its simplicity and ease of use here, but ClickUp offers a lot of robust featuring set, versatility, and customization options, making it a greater and better option for team members that work on diverse project management needs. So ultimately, ClickUp's extensive capabilities make this one a better choice. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.